Hello, dear students. I am Surendra Kumar Yadav, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, and in sixth semester, I will teach you Computer Integrated Manufacturing System subject. So, first of all, we will discuss about the contents. Or in this, our first unit or segment is Introduction of SIM. Means what is SIM, what is the objective of this subject, scope and the outcome. And in this unit we will discuss about automation in production system and role of computers in manufacturing system, and historical background of the SIM system. In this unit, second part is numerical control. So in this we will discuss about the components of the ANSI and different codes for making programs like G codes, M codes or symbols. In unit number 3rd or in segment number 3rd, we will discuss about the ANSI part programming, manual part programming or computer assisted part programming, and CAD CAM softwares. In segment number 4, we will discuss about the computer aided process planning. मीन्स सिम के थ्रू अगर अपन को कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना है तो मीन्स व्हाट आर द प्लानिंग बिफोर प्रोसेसिंग. मीन्स the computer aided plannings may be generative process planning or retrieval process planning. Next, in this segment we will discuss also about the group technology. In segment number 5th, we will discuss about the computer aided production management system and computer aided quality control. In last segment, we will discuss about the computer aided material handling, means computer control on material handling, conveying, picking, like that, and computer integrated manufacturing system, means flexible manufacturing system, etc. So let we start our first unit, introduction of SIM. Means what is SIM? The definition या full form of the SIM is computer integrated manufacturing system. Simply, SIM is a combination of CAD and CAM. Means CAD is computer aided design and CAM is computer aided manufacturing. Computer integrated manufacturing encompasses the entire range of product development and manufacturing activities, with all the functions being carried out with the help of dedicated software packages. With the help of SIM, we can generate or produce a good quality of product having minimum cost. The data required for various functions are passed from one application software to another in a seamless manner. Means in SIM system, we will use different types of the software for processing purpose or to produce a product. For example, the product data is created during design. This data has to be transferred from the modeling software to manufacturing software without any loss of data. जैसे कि हमने देखा है कि जब सिम नहीं था, जब कंप्यूटर इंटीग्रेटेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम नहीं था, तो उस टाइम जो इंजीनियर्स या एम्प्लॉयज़ होते थे वो डिज़ाइन के लिए ड्राइंग शीट्स का यूज़ करते थे. उन ड्राइंग शीट्स पर पहले उस डिज़ाइन को क्रिएट करते थे, और अगर कस्टमर डिमांड के अकॉर्डिंग अगर आपका डिज़ाइन में कुछ भी चेंजेस होता है तो हमें फिर दोबारा से न्यू डिज़ाइन, न्यू ड्राइंग शीट जनरेट करनी पड़ती थी. आफ्टर दैट हमें उसे प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में सेंड करना पड़ता था. मीन्स मोर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन. बहुत ज़्यादा यूटिलाइजेशन था ह्यूमन का, और जहाँ पर ह्यूमन का यूटिलाइजेशन ज़्यादा है वहाँ पर एरर होने के चांसेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। तो वी वर लैकिंग ऑफ ए गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, due to which after the invention of microprocessor in 1970, we integrate all the designing process or all the manufacturing process by computer. So with the help of computer we can produce a good quality product without any loss of data. SIM uses a common database wherever feasible and communication technologies to integrate design, manufacturing, and associated business functions that combine the automated segments of a factory or a manufacturing facility. SIM also reduces the human component of manufacturing and thereby relieves the process of its slow, expensive, and error-prone component. Means जो सिम है वो अपने प्रोसेस को फास्ट कर रहा है और क्विकली हो रहा है, तो जो आपका कॉस्ट है वो भी आपका कम लग रहा है और आपकी डिलीवरी भी मिनिमम टाइम में हो पा रही है. So, SIM stands for a holistic and methodological approach to the activities of the manufacturing enterprise in order to achieve vast improvement in its performance. So, we can see in this figure the purpose or target of any enterprise is making good quality products, having low cost, and the delivery in minimum time. So, to make or to face in global competition, this is mandatory to all the companies or to all the factories making good quality of product. So, manufacturing industries strive to reduce the cost of product continuously to remain competitive in the face of global competition. In addition, there is a need to improve the quality and performance levels on a continuing basis. Another important requirement is on time delivery. So, these are the objectives of a SIM, that are reduction in inventory, lower the cost of the product, reduce waste, improve quality, increase flexibility in manufacturing to achieve immediate and rapid response such as product changes, production changes, process change, equipment changes, change of personnel. Okay, thank you.